can I request for a one?
Yes.
Something.
What is it?
Anxiety will say, don't be shy. Talk.
Say.
Don't worry. You will do it for me. Yeah, she will do it. Talk to her. I'm sad.
Talk. Don't be shy.
Come on. Talk to her. I want when you call. I'm sad. Come on, you do it. Oh, yeah. Okay. When you come back, I want you to take me to private jet.
Is that the request? Is that the request?
That is the request.
I'm not. That's small
You
now.
say what? At the time? Huh? Ma?
Yeah, carry now. That's small.
I'm a private jet. Oh, no.
I got you.
I want a private jet.
I got you. I'll take you when I get back.
No.
I got you.
I swear to the mom, if you are savage, if you do that for me, I swear. Don't worry. Well, I don't get any plan for Fufa again. That's the only plan, no. I want a private jet.
Don't worry.
That's the plan for you.
This month, I got you. We're doing it this month.
No. Oh, no. Oh, no, for this. Oh, yeah. Give me that beat. Baby, they come from. Oh, my God.
I got you. I got you.
Request. Mommy, say why you want to request? Request. Don't move that. Wait, she don't want to show request. We are sorry.
No. I want anything now.
Yeah. Also, we miss you. Oh, your face are requesting. Don't be shy.
I'm speechless.
Get out. See for your comment. Why you be saying you are speechless for your ever?
It's so sudden.
Be speechless for your ever. You are speechless. Go see.
Okay, I want to have one full day with you.
Yeah. No, man. No, it's a
Yes, one full day with you.
big request. One day with you. Only any year.
No, then we'll end up in the club. We'll end up in the club. All day we go to the spa. Spa, we go shopping, then we go to the club.
I know. What did they happen?
All the list, yes, everything just listed. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Maybe.
Go shopping, go to the spa, we go to the club.
Osifo, don't go settle with
Go to the spa, shopping,
May you rest.
and club.
May you rest because this matter I don't pass through me. No come go the way before I again. You understand? Now, safe. Osifo and the papa that say they can't work together in this May you rest. You don't lose the man, you don't lose the man. The man deal with you, don't lose the value. You say it's easy to see man like Osifo.
My own is not too much. I just want to vibe with you as well for just the day. You know, give me is a vibe. I want to vibe with you.
Support you.
No, if you can't do for dinner something, check you will not say cause to eat.
So
Oh my
now
God,
so it's like the socializing. If you behave like this, they should behave like this. So then you just behave, make everything
people hungry. Why they ask for food to
understand?
Food is
Make everything
not
me you
now.
rest.
So this one when they say
Me you rest. You don't lost the man, you don't lost him.
she was the one that said, "Mommy, see what."
He's not coming back. Oh, me you rest. You know they come back again. You don't lose them. You don't lose them.
No tax, no black. I don't think
You don't lose them. You don't lose them. So no, we just wait to happen already.
No ass, no blackie.
What happened? Videos when you do for me, it don't make sense again at all. It don't make sense again. Osifo don't go. It don't go. Osifo say don't find
Sọ̀rọ̀, mo ti ní vibe now. Vibe, yes. Ó dẹnu mi.
I'll do 2 million.
To my account, Abby.
Yes, now.
Are you whining or stop? 2 million is not small change, oh. Change, what guys?
No, now, why go they want you now?
Oh, yeah, prove yourself. Prove yourself then before we continue. Guys, don't worry. I'm not a stingy babe, okay? If you give me, I will give Peller. If you give me, I will give Peller because he said that he has been trying to reach Peller. Don't worry. I will. Oh.
Yeah,
I
call
should-
it. Call it now.
What?
Let me use my other phone.
Hey, Chineke God. 22
Okay.
61
Mm-hmm.
68 38 64 Zenith Bank.
Okay.
Hey! Mistake. Sorry. That was a mistake. Yeah!
Let me flip my camera.
Hey, Chineke go. Wait. Wait, let me go and confirm. Wait.
You come.
Guys! He did it! He did it! Everybody follow his account. Hey, don't worry. I will not chop the money alone. Me and my baby will chop it together. Okay? Everybody, Guys, follow his account and get into 10,000 followers. Don't be looking at me. Follow it. This is what we call a true lover of Peller and Javis. Who is gonna? Guys, follow his account. How many? Is it 8,000? Good. See, let us make Peller proud. You get? You understand? Let us tell that. You see when I'm breathing, Jesus Christ. Hello.
Are you pregnant, sir?
No, I just finished eating.
What?
Oh yeah, Nifa. Oh yeah, do.
Actually, number one, what you just did is prohibited on my live stream. I do not accept 360 on my live stream.
No, I come on.
Are you
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I will follow you now. So wait. Give me here.
Do you need my help or not?
I don't need this.
Don't stress me.
I don't need this. Wait. I thought that's what we did. Yeah.
You are disrespecting my orders.
Oh,
I don't understand. No, wait, let me talk. Let me speak. Woman to woman. I said this is my live stream and 360 is prohibited. Okay? Because TikTok is very sensitive and you will not want me to lose my account. Right?
I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm
No,
sorry.
you don't have
That's
to
what
apologize. You see, you can do that on his live. Are you
So man, who be this? Wait till they want it after.
allowed to just
No, wait. Jesus Christian. Wait. Okay. Let her twerk. Okay. Wait, can you? Are you mad? Person they give you info.
Okay, sorry. Nothing happened with your phone.
Give my phone. Give my phone. Give my phone. Give my phone.
Another is calling. Wait. Another is calling.
Give my phone. Yeah.
See, yeah, mama.